Good morning to yoga to do while you brew. Got my beverage ready. Let's get started. All right. So today is Om. It's Om. Talk to you a little bit about that because there's a movement to have a yoga class without Om. It's called yoga without the Om. That's what it's called. And the Om is the most important part of yoga, just like Amen, Amin, Mom, Ma, Hum. The sound is really important. If you say Amen, Amen, but if you ever tune into the Vatican and hear how they chant surrender to the sound of Amen, it's Amen. It's this elongated sound, which is very similar to what we use in yoga as Om, which is actually AUM. And I'm looking down because I made a poor chart here to try to help get through this short little lecture. Um, Sound is associated with a realized being. So a way to connect to the universe, to God, to our God, the gods, is through the sound. Why does it end with an M sound? Because is with the mouth open, and when you close your mouth, it naturally becomes the sound. You can do this while you're driving. That's my big thing. If you're stuck in traffic, if you need to calm your mind before answering the phone or answering a text, it's just really great. If you really want to take it up a notch, you ready? Cover your ears, close your eyes. Ready? Inhale. There's a good chance you won't think of anything, anybody. You'll just be with yourself, be with God, be with the universe. You won't even hear your beverage being brewed. All right. Your day away. Your day away. Amen your day away.